Hello, I'm Floor, and this is Modular Ableton, a new series of video tutorials and demonstrations exploring the brand new CV Tools pack of Max for Live devices. In this first video, I will be showing you how to clock your Ableton session's Master BPM from an incoming voltage gate signal, and then explore some of what happens when we modulate the tempo of that signal with CV generated within Live. In other words, Ableton Krell. The basic ingredients of a Krell patch are a cycling envelope that also outputs gates, and a random voltage source or sequencer. For our patch, we will be using Make Noise maths for our cycling envelope, and Ableton's random MIDI effect as our random source. Our modular voice is going to be a synthesis technology E370 running into a Make Noise QMMG, and then I'll add some BPM sync delay from Ableton, which is going to further emphasize the pitch-related tempo variations. I'll start with our random voltage disabled, so it's easier to see how Live responds to the incoming clock before we start messing with it. The first step is to get our gate signal into Live using the CV clock in device. I have that on its own track. So, I have the external input set to an input on my audio interface, and then a gate output from maths running into that input. So once I hit cycle, we're going to see Ableton respond to that gate. And I currently have the tap set to 30-second notes. You can make this quarter notes, eighth notes, 16th notes, or any of these other pulses per quarter note settings. I set it to 30-second notes because I'm going to be hitting it with some pretty fast gate. So you see how that works if I adjust the speed of maths. We get a different BPM. And that shows up both here in the CV clock device, the clock in device, and also up here in the master BPM. So let's add in our random. So this pitch is being generated by the random effect, which goes into the CV instrument device, which is acting as our MIDI to CV converter. I have that set to a channel on my Expert Sweepers ES3, which is then sequencing the E370 and bringing voltage into the both input on maths. Let's add in the delay. And now I'm going to adjust the maths envelope to get different times. Alright, so I think you get the idea. Thanks for watching and listening. If you have any questions or requests for future videos, leave a comment below. Stay tuned for the next video in the series.